Please ask my director Nadeem Beg how I managed that. तो उस वक्त आपके पास पैसे भी नहीं होते. When you're a student, you're just like लाइटें भी खुद खरीदनी है, कैमरा भी खुद खरीद. ये तो हाथ में आ रहा है मेरे. So why should I just like let it be?
So today we're stepping into the world of Warda Aziz, a stylist turned actor who has not only captured our hearts with her fashion sense but with her on-screen presence, and that too in Love Guru's trailer. I'm sure you guys must have seen it. Let's speak to Warda. Hi, how are you?
Hi Maha, good. How are you?
I'm good. What's going on?
Work's going on and it's hot. Karachi is very hot.
Karachi
now.
is
I feel like now
burning.
also we're kind of just relieved. But anyway,
Yeah.
we'll get to the interview part. I could go on and on about complaining
the
and
weather.
how hot it is.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't want to be a whiny person on set.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Tell me, how exhausted are you after the entire Love Guru madness?
Oh my god, I'm इतनी बीमार मतलब मैं हो गई थी उसके बाद.
God.
I think also because I'll tell you we were supposed, you know how they say that films बस एक initially the plan was कि वो एक महीने में हो जाएगा shoot, but वो नहीं हुआ.
Oh.
And you know एक spell रह गया, एक spell रह गया, एक spell रह गया, and then उन spells के बीच में also like I tried to take a vacation, like a family vacation, but then that also became so hectic that by the time I came back I was just gone. Like you know once your body goes in that recovery mode where you're like अच्छा अभी break है,
Yeah.
then so I just crashed. So I've been exhausted, and we've just actually wrapped up the film fully and completely like about 2 weeks ago. We were
Oh,
shooting
alright.
one last song in Dubai. So we just got back, and then yeah, I'm a hustler, so I was working on other things, and now we're just kind of finally going through all of the promotions, and everything's happening because the film releases this Eid.
Oh, lovely. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So, Warda, tell me, did you always want to be an actor?
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, you know, I started as an actor.
No way. I thought you
Yes.
were a stylist first.
No, I started as an actor.
I did the introduction wrong.
It's okay, but you didn't know. But I started as an actor when I was like 17 years old, 16 years old. And I was initially just
Wait,
doing...
I'm gonna guess this. You were in Tili.
I
Yeah?
was in Tili, but Tili was not that long ago. That was
Really?
2018. Nah?
Oh.
I started working in 2015, 14.
Oh, all right.
So it's been a while. So I started doing commercials, I was doing theatre, kind of just doing a lot of short films and stuff. And then I was also doing my film grad, I was doing my degree in filmmaking. So फिर, you know, once you're at it, तो उस वक्त आपके पास पैसे भी नहीं होते. When you're a student, you're just like लाइटें भी खुद खरीदनी है, कैमरा भी खुद खरीदना है.
Oh, no,
So
yeah.
that time I was just kind of doing whatever that came my way. Not like because I always wanted to be this independent, you know, I didn't like asking घर से कि मैं पैसे मांगू अम्मा से या कुछ करूँ.
I get that.
So I just really like wanted to like, you know, become independent at a very young age.
And you are.
I am.
Yeah.
So mashallah. So I started working as a stylist just by the way. Even though I was studying to be a director, I wanted to be a writer.
Yeah.
And then you know, like styling, so it's something that just came to me naturally. So when I started working as a stylist, and as soon as I graduated, I worked on Lal Kabutar, which is another feature film.
Yep.
I worked on that, then I did Coke Studio, and I feel like, you know, how things were just going with the flow as a stylist, where I was like,
Yeah.
why not? We don't have that many stylists in the industry, especially for commercials and films.
Yeah, that's true.
So I was like, ये तो हाथ में आ रहा है मेरे.
Yeah.
So why should I just like let it be?
Good
so,
for you. Yeah.
So, and then acting wise, I'm just picky. You've probably not seen so much of my work as an actor. Like I did dramas back in the days.
And Miss Marvel.
And Miss Marvel.
How did
and I
that
did Tili.
happen?
Oh, I've talked about this so much. It was just like one of the best experiences of my life.
So in Love Guru, you're doing both styling and acting. How did you manage that, Warda?
Please ask my director Nadeem Beg how I managed that.
Oh God.
So
Yeah.
initially, like, they called me for a meeting as a stylist.
As a
right?
stylist, okay.
And I was at the meeting, and then he was just looking at me. He was like, "Oh, तुम तो acting भी करती हो,
Yeah.
अच्छा." So then he's like, and he didn't say anything to me at that point. And then, you know, later when, you know, we started working and everything, तो उन्होंने फिर मुझे offer की. तो मैंने कहा कि नहीं मैं एक चीज़ करूँगी, मैं नहीं कर सकती दोनों चीज़ें. It becomes really tough. It's
I'm
not like I
sure.
just wasn't styling Mahira and just Humayun. It was the entire movie. And again,
That
we were
is so
shooting
big.
abroad. You know, working conditions are different. Like
Yeah.
here, तो we're just, you know, kind of lazy. हमें इतनी आदत होती है. I have my assistants. I'm like Salman and Usman. Like, you know, I just kind of do all of that. But वहाँ पे मुझे पता था कि regardless, it's going to be tough.
Yeah.
So I kept saying, and everybody was like, oh, Varda's playing hard to get. I was like, no, but you made me do one thing now.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it was just. So anyway, then I kind of gave in at one point because Nadeem bhai was like, this character is for you.
Yeah.
तुम बिल्कुल
Oh,
बैठती
yeah.
हो.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें।
So tell me, did Nadeem Beg specifically write this role for you, or did you just fit the role so well? He was like, "I need you."
No.
Oh,
It
okay,
was
okay.
it was
Oh,
a written. It was a role that was already written. Yeah. So he was
Acha.
like, "तुम बस इसमें, you know, this
You
is for
fit
you
this,
and तुम
yeah.
ही करोगी." And I didn't say yes for the longest time. I kept working as like, you know, boards and this and that, whatever.
Yeah.
And when breakdown started coming in, the assistant directors, the ADs, they would literally just write my name in front of Natasha's character. So Natasha is my character's name in the movie,
Alright.
and it would say Varda in front of it. I'm like, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. Like, you know, it was more like I was like, हमने
Yeah.
मेरा नाम क्यों लिखा है, मैं नहीं
Yeah,
करूँगी.
yeah.
And then again, like anyway, then I finally gave in and whatever. When I
Yeah.
started, when we were there shooting, it became tough. Like literally, I was scolded by Nadeem Beg on most days where I would be on set as an actor.
Okay.
And I'd be like, oh, इसने ये नहीं पहना, उसने ये नहीं पहना, अच्छा उसका ये कर दें, उसका ये कर दें, next वाला scene ये है. And he's like, Varda, can you just shut
Yeah.
everything out because you're an actor now? So I said, see, this is the switch that I can't immediately flip, you know, because it was
Yeah.
hard for me because मैं बोलती थी कि मैं, and also like I'm just the kind of person who will put 200% in something that I'm doing.
Yeah. You are a perfectionist, right?
I
Yeah.
am a perfectionist.
Yeah.
So वो मुझे लगता था कि मैं कहीं ना कुछ compromise कर रही हूँ, you know?
Oh,
Like maybe as an actor
yeah.
also, because in my head I would just be somewhere else.
Yes, everybody looking good.
Yeah, I cared about other people more than I would care about myself. Like, you know, even if
Yeah.
I had to style myself, it's difficult because I don't want to experiment. I don't see myself how another stylist would see me or another
Yeah.
person would see me. So I just kind of really, I wore what I wear.
How was your experience working with Myra, the Myra Khan, and Humayun Saeed? Like both are superstars, right?
You know how generally, like when I work with celebrities
Yeah.
or big stars, there's always this resistance, I would say. Not resistance also,
Yeah.
but you know, that kind of, no, it's not even about respect. It's just like, you know, there's a gap where
Yeah.
you're the stylist or aapka itna wo nahi hota. But with both Humayun and Mahira, by the way, it was so chill. Both of them, they made my job so much easier. When Humayun sometimes would just be like, I was like, nahi, घड़ी उतार दे, glasses उतार दे, and he's like, तो मुझे कुछ तो पहनने दो, and I was just like, नहीं, आप ही उतार दे. So like, you know, even with Mahira, because like they're so nice and friendly, they
Super
don't
chill.
they don't make you seem like, they don't make your job hard.
Yeah.
They don't make you feel uncomfortable. So where, like, you know, you can be yourself.
Yeah, you
so
can be-
the way
huh.
I am right now, this is how I was with
Yeah.
them on set also, and like it was fun. So yeah, I mean, you know,
Okay.
it actually really helps
Yeah.
if your celebrities and the people you're styling
Hmm.
are they trust you, A, and B, like they let you, they're
Yeah,
comfortable. You know?
Exactly. So I'm sure Myra Khan or Humayun के साथ इतना मजा आएगा set पे.
Yeah.
Any behind the scenes moment that you were like, this is lovely?
One I'll talk about, I was in London. So we were shooting and we went Canterbury. And Nadeem Beg, out of nowhere, he says, मुझे एक shot लेना है, sun यहाँ से set हो रहा है गलियों में. And I was like, okay. Anyway, so then, you know, we had those vans and stuff, but he said it so randomly where we didn't have any electricity का connection or anything. तो मैंने कहा, आप कपड़े कैसे इस्त्री होंगे? आप तो कपड़े इस्त्री नहीं हो सकते. And he was like, and then I went up to him, I was like, नहीं नदीम भाई, बिजली नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, vanity में. And he's like, मुझे solution चाहिए. And I was literally in that point, I was like, the sun is setting, all of that is happening. So Mahira's manager, Anushe, Nadeem Beg, Irfan bhai, Humayun, everybody, because we were like, now we need to get clothes for them, right?
Oh.
And this is when the sun is setting, they're just like, we have to go get it. So हम लोग stores में भागे, and we just like kind of, मैं हुमायूं को चीजें कर रही हूँ, ये पहने, ये ट्राई करें, because we're like, you know, वहाँ पे कपड़े इस्त्री हुए हुए hang हुए होते हैं. And then Mahira boots try, like it was just so haphazard and it was so funny. I wish we had somebody recording that BTS.
yeah.
It's actually, you know, the in the trailer when you see it, Mahira's first look in that black dress and the headphones,
And the
it's
boots.
that look.
Oh,
It's literally, and
iconic.
nobody had imagined that was going to end
Turn
up
out so
being
good.
the first look of Mahira in the movie.
That's her introduction, right?
That is her
the headphones
introduction.
one.
Yeah. So that's literally her first look. And literally that one shot where they said hero lagta hai shakal se, like, you know, Humayun walking. So it was that look. And we were literally, hum log line mein, hum log paise de rahe hain, and then we were like, acha sahi hai, jaake upar changing room mein, you know, like change kare and this and that, and then we had to get something, and Mahira is now running. Now she's wearing boots with tags on, and you know, like running. I probably have a video somewhere, but literally running on the streets of Canterbury, and I'm running after her. I'm like, Mahira, please tag do utar. She's like, light chali jayegi, whatever, right? And everybody's just running. And then when we reached, I was like, okay, now. And then we're like, oh, sunglasses chahiye. Oh, back iska headphones kisi. You know, it was so random, but it turned out so good. And it was fun. Like, you know, it's just one of these things when you remember, us waqt is so much chaos, where you're like, I don't know, like,
how
you know, it turned out well.
Okay. Cut.